narrative on beer has been weakening sales at the expense of consumers going for wine and hard alcohol. Is that what you're seeing?
Well, we see a different picture. We are very happy with having Diageo Beer Company growing 13% in the first half, which shows that we can have positive growth in beer, but indeed, like the industry is in a tough situation.
So why are your brands, Guinness included, an exception to the trend?
Well, we see both core and innovation doing well. So our Guinness draft in a can is increasing 16.4, which is quite amazing. And that is bringing the experience, the pub experience, to the home of our consumers. So if we think about consumers 21, 34, they are keen to have great experiences, and that's what we are offering with nitrogenated cans.
What about the trend towards light beer? Is that a global trend? Is it just a US-focused trend?
I would reframe. I think there's a better for you trend. So consumers are keen to drink beers that are good for them. And
none of them are good for you.
Well, with quality above quantity, let me put it this way. And that's what we are doing more and more. It's delivering beers with incredible quality. And I give you an example. Our master brewer is brewing amber ale with Irish English tea this weekend for St. Patrick's.
Well, there we go.
That's a good beer for you.
Very, very nice. So the other thing, I was looking at the website, knowing all of Diageo's extensive liquor brands, there's actually not that many beer brands for a company of your size and expertise. So are you looking to buy some beer brands or bring on some new ones that we're in 5 years all going to be drinking regularly?
Yeah, we are looking to grow organically our portfolio. Guinness is our #1 brand and will continue to be, and it's our focus. And what we see opening the brewery in Maryland last August 2nd is that allows us to brew by far more beers. So we will be brewing 60 different beers in the first year. And we see a great acceptance of those new beers, so that will give us a better portfolio to play in the future.
Where are you on cannabis? All the beer makers are getting in.
We are looking at it very closely, but that's what we are doing as we speak.
Would that be under your division within the beer
overall,
company?
no, not my own division, but it's overall innovation driven, and we just look at it as very closely.
Is it true? I mean, I know you've said the strength of your own portfolio and Guinness, but is it true that millennials are showing signs of preferring cannabis than beer?
I think I don't have any data indicating that. I would say 21, 34, let's call it. What they want is good experiences. They want products that are delivering benefits on a holistic space. So that's what we see more than anything else. And we see Guinness actually increasing awareness and increasing distribution and penetration among that target group, which is quite positive.
We also wanted to get your take on Anheuser-Busch Super Bowl ad going after shaming other beer companies because it says that they don't include corn syrup. Is that true, and how much of a rift is it really causing in the industry?
So I would not comment on other beers, and I think I respect whatever they want to do with their own brands. Guinness, we don't brew with corn syrup.
I just wanted to ask very quickly about preferences, tastes in Asia, just because of the conversation we had briefly beforehand. Are they liquor drinkers? Are they beer drinkers? And what's the trends that's working there? I know you're head of the US business, but...
Yes, we see overall a positive trend towards spirits and liquor. So that allows fantastic experiences. It's a storytelling world, and we see that across all the geographies. What I'm pleased is to see beer doing so well for us in the US, and that's something that I'm super proud of.